Hey guys, this is the correction on the review for Unit 2 test for 7 and 8 because I totally screwed that up. So on number 7, like I said, first thing that you have to do on this one, you got to add up all the values that you have. So you're going to add those, and those, and those, and those, and whenever you add those up, you get a total of 165. So let me scooch over here. But first, you've got to find the mean. So we're going to take that and we're going to divide that number by 5. Because that's how many numbers that we just added together. When you divide that, you get 33. This is where I screwed up in the last video. I pulled 5 out of nowhere and started going with it. So if our mean, so I'm going to write this right here. Our mean is 33. See, I'm already trying to screw it up again. This is the problem with this kind of problem. You mess up in one spot and messes up the whole rest of the problem. Next, we want to find the MAD. But first, we have to find the difference between the means and all the numbers that we have. So the difference between 32 and 33 is 1. Between 45 and 33, let's see, that'd be 5, 7, 12. Then 23 and 33 are 10 apart. 35 and 33 are 2 apart. And 33 and 30 are 3 apart. Once I've got the distances, again, those are all positive. I'm going to add all of these together and to find the mean again. So when I add all those up, I get 28. And again, I'm going to take that number and I'm going to divide it by 5, and we get 5.6. 5.6 is actually our MAD on this one, so our MAD is 5.6. Okay, number 8, because I screwed this one up too. On this one, we're finding the mean absolute deviation again. I know it says different average distance from the mean. It's the same thing. First, what we're going to do is we're going to add all these up, and we are going to divide by how many there are because we want the average. And I know there are negatives on there. We are going to keep those negatives when we're adding. Let's do here. So when I add all these up, let me get in the calculator real quick. So when I add all these up, we get 29.4. But there are 10 numbers, so I'm going to take that number divided by 10, and our mean is going to be 2.94. I'm going to write that over here so we keep track of that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that mean and I'm going to subtract it from each one of these answers. You keep the negatives. In fact, I'm going to show you with these first 3 what I'm talking about. Okay, so here's what I've done here. For that -8, I did -8 minus 2.94, and my distance is 10.94. So right here, I'm going to keep 10.94. 6.2, I minus that 2.94, and I got 3.26. And then for 2.5, I subtracted the 2.94 and got 0.44. And I'm just dropping the negatives right now, so I've got 0.44. And then on these right here, I'll do these 3 next. So again, I've got 12, I subtracted 2.94, and I got 9.06. I did -2, subtracted 2.94, and I got 4.94. Again, this is the only place that I'm dropping negatives. -1.3, I subtracted 2.94, and I've got 4.24. And then last, looks like 4, I got these real quick. All right, so on 15, we did 15 minus 2.94, we got 12.06. -2, you subtracted 2.94 and got 4.94. 0 minus 2.94, we got 2.94, obviously. And then 7, I'm not going to have the calculator on this part. 7 minus 2.94 comes out to 4.06. Last thing I got to do on this, I've got to add all these up and divide by how many there are. So I'm adding those. I'm adding those. Those. Pretty much all of the red that I've got up top. Find out that total, and then we'll divide by how many there are. We get a total of 5688. Oh my gosh, my pen's not working. 56.88. And when you divide this one by 10, you get 5.68. So our mean absolute deviation, I'm not going to round this time, is 5.688. There's supposed to be a point there. Final answer on that one.